What's good? It's your boy Eddie here. I'll be rebuilding my Infiniti G35 Anniversary Edition. This car been sitting for months. Got the two air intakes here. I'm about to do a spark plug job on it right now. When I first got this car, only thing I really did to it was the valve cover gasket and a heating solenoid and the alternator. I changed the front bumper and then I changed the rear bumper. But that shit a little fucked up though. I don't got the most experience with these cars, but we're gonna try something. The battery's shot. See, got the red interior. See, battery shot. Shit won't come on. Shit, car a little messy though. It's the anniversary edition. But yeah, that's spark plugs. I would have not coil packs. Coil packs. Spark plugs. And we're back. Long story short, I did not have the tools to finish it. Tried to get my own mechanic. He's doing it right now. Say better he do it than me. I did not have the tools for this. Alright, so now he's taking out the air intakes. Loosening up the bolts. This car really gonna need some work. This car is dirty. Probably after this, I'll probably go take it for a car wash and go put some gas in it. It's been a minute. That's the other side. The other side looks even worse. But I'm currently looking to get a Q50 or another G. So I'm about to sell this because insurance is too much for this car out here. Currently looking to register my car in Atlanta. So hopefully that goes well. I really want the Q50 though. I'm not even gonna lie. Really want the Q50, but I won't be mad with another G. Bring some content on those cars. I'd rather bring the content on the Q50. Because the Q50 is more than a newer car. I like the Q50 a little bit more. Just a little bit. Just a little bit more like the Q50, but yeah, hopefully I can sell this. I've been saving my money. Hopefully I can sell this and get a Q50, bro. Like, we even got spider webs growing in this. I don't know if you can see that. We got spider webs. Shit needs to clean. Got a whole bunch of garbage in here. Yeah, got so much shit in here. See what we can see in here. Nothing. Sunroof is dirty. And I want the sunroof work. That would be nice, but yeah, I'll update y'all when he gets the valve control shit off. And when he putting the spark plugs in there, feel me? Man, another thing I forgot to do. I forgot to open the trunk, but I ain't opened this trunk in months. Probably some fucking rat fly out this one. Oh, this shit ain't even bad. Got some speakers. Fuck, let's lift this shit up. Oh, fuck. Ugh. Like, what do you make the car look better? That shit look ugly to me. Take this shit off. Alright, we got all the old spark plugs off. We should speak to it. It don't look that bad. Last one right here. Alright, last one. Yeah, that one just broke. Yeah, it was already broken before, but it just snapped up now. I gotta see if I can buy that piece. Shouldn't be too much. But get back when everything's screwed back on, hook back up, start the car, run it for some codes and see what's the next move for it. Alright, a nigga done did some dumb shit. I went to go start the car up and my dumbass forgot to fucking unmute the mic, bro. So it's, niggas couldn't hear nothing I was saying. Niggas couldn't hear the car start up or nothing. So we gotta go put some clothes on and go handle that, bro. But let me know if I'm ready to drip. Think tough for hour. Think tough. Alright. The outside, you know. The outside, you know. Oh, it's cold as hell. Think back over here. I see that. I strike this thing. Alright, we're in it. Lights is on. Let's give it a start up. Hold on, let me put my key in. So, as you can see, vehicle service. Here it up. Seeing. Alright, back in the house. I ain't gonna lie. He ran the codes on the car and shit. A lot of codes, ain't gonna lie, bro. Ton of them shits. We got a long way to go in life, but feel me? We gonna get that shit on the road next week. Trust and believe. We gonna get this shit on the road. I said next week. Next episode. Ain't no fucking Bill Gates. She's not gonna be on the road by next week, but you feel me? Hopefully. I hope. But I see y'all in the next episode. Make sure to keep up to date with everything. Bush.